Today we're talking about MSG. You've heard of MSG, what are your thoughts on it?
I know that it's in food sometimes and that it's bad.
Before university, I was actually really afraid of MSG because my mom raised me thinking it was a really bad thing and all humans shouldn't eat it, and it's bad for us, going to cause cancer, going to cause headaches, so I just always avoided it.
Perfect, so if you had a food with MSG and a food without MSG, which would you pick?
If I want to go for something a little bit like lower in sodium, then I'll probably pick something that doesn't have MSG.
I thought MSG was horrible for you. It causes stomach issues, like vomiting and diarrhea. You should never eat anything with MSG in it. It'll just cause your body to do bad reactions to get it out immediately. It's not natural, it's not from a plant, so how could it be good for you, right? MSG just can't. It's not good. MSG sucks. Don't eat MSG.
Don't eat MSG.
So, as you can see from those interviews, many people have a strong misconception about what MSG does.
And we're here to tell you the cold, hard facts.
MSG, what is it?
That's a good question. Well, MSG is monosodium glutamate, and it is a food ingredient that was first discovered in 1908. It is a sodium salt of glutamic acid, and it is naturally found in vegetable and animal proteins. Furthermore, it is used under good manufacturing practices. Some other names for MSG are
yeast extract, autolyzed yeast, hydrolyzed plant protein, hydrolyzed vegetable protein, hydrolyzed protein, plant protein extract, hydrolyzed oat flour, sodium caseinate, calcium caseinate, and textured protein.
So what is glutamate?
It is an indispensable amino acid, which means if glutamate is not consumed in your diet, your body will make it on its own. Glutamate plays an important role in your digestive system because it provides an energy source for the intestine. To get from glutamate to MSG, all you need to add is a sodium and a hydrogen.
Where do you get glutamate from?
On its own, it's a white crystal substance, like salt or sugar, but it can also be found in regular foods. It is derived from a natural fermentation process from molasses, sugarcane, starch, corn sugar, or beets. It can be found in processed foods such as salad dressings, canned vegetables, soup, mayo, and frozen dishes. And it is commonly found in Asian cuisine. And this leads us to our next section about the myths of MSG. Is MSG safe?
It's made of water, sodium, and glutamate. Like mentioned before, your body makes it on its own. Generally, MSG is not a health hazard, and scientists have reviewed MSG's safety globally. Your body responds the same to MSG used as it would to natural glutamates in the body.
What are the benefits, and why should you use MSG in your food products?
So the benefits are, it's highly heat stable and water soluble. It also has its own taste receptors, which is known as the primary taste sensation, umami. There is, however, a threshold, so adding excessive MSG won't actually enhance the flavor.
Myth number 2. I also heard that MSG is high in sodium. Is that true?
Monosodium glutamate is the sodium salt of the glutamate amino acid. In a watery environment, it will dissociate into a sodium and a glutamate ion. Because MSG adds flavor, people often mistake that the new flavor of umami is because of additional salt. MSG is actually useful for reducing salt content. The use of MSG in place of salt in processed foods allows for flavor maintenance without the addition of extra salt. MSG contains 1/3 the amount of sodium, gram for gram. Only a small amount of MSG is required to enhance taste. To summarize, people are scared of this chemically sounding name.
However, it is made in the body and can be naturally found in animal and vegetable protein.
What do you think about it now?
Same thing!
What do you think now?
Now I think MSG is totally harmless and it makes food taste good, so I don't try to avoid it if I don't need to.
Perfect.